Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today I am sharing a perfect tea time snacks, Suji Tea Time Biscuits. Crispy, aromatic and made with wholesome ingredients, no oven needed. In a bowl, take half cup grated jaggery and add 1/4 cup warm water. Mix well until it dissolves completely. Now add 1 cup suji, 1/4 cup whole wheat flour, 3 tablespoon desiccated coconut, half teaspoon cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon milk powder, 2 tablespoon ghee, and 2 tablespoon chopped dry fruits. Mix everything well. Coconut adds not just taste, but a natural sweetness and crunch. Add a pinch of baking soda for lighter texture if you like. Now gradually pour in the melted jaggery and knead into a soft dough. Did you know Suji or Semolina is one of the oldest grains used in Indian cooking? In ancient times, jaggery was called gur, meaning sweetness in its purest form. Cover and rest it for 10 minutes. Now take small portion, roll them out. And cut into biscuit shapes using a cutter. Heat oil on medium-low flame and fry the biscuit gently for 7 to 8 minutes until golden and crispy. Always fry on low to medium heat for even crispiness. You can bake them instead of frying for a healthier twist. Suji gives you energy and is easy to digest. Jaggery is rich in iron and helps cleanse your blood. Coconut adds healthy fats and milk powder gives a touch of protein, a guilt-free snack you can enjoy with your evening tea. And that's how you make crispy golden Suji tea time biscuits. Simple, tasty and homemade. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Innovin Foods for more easy homemade snack ideas. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite snack with tea?